Yeah, down here, I just chopped this down, this one. But I got this one, that one back here by that truck, this one in, and all up beside that trailer or that bobtail, right there. But yeah. And for all your junk removal, lawn care, pressure washing, tree removal, give us a call, 251-930-3652. And come right in. You say what you want removed, and it comes down hauled away. You get a truck, trailer. Now if you need a bigger trailer, I have bigger trailers. So give us a call, 251-930-3652. Yeah, I'm gonna do the rest of these. That battery, my battery one dead. Plus I don't have no chain, so I cut that one down with this. But it went dead. That's the only one I got. Anyway, let me knock this out.